I'm going to show you how to install your C line or N line on your skybox F3 or F5. I have a skybox F5, by the way. Got my USB stick in there, and I got my Cccam file on here. I've already pasted my line onto it that I just had emailed to me. I'm not going to show it to you for obvious reasons. These are files that the skybox has put on my USB stick. I'm going to take the USB stick out now and put it in the back of my skybox. Okay, I've just put it in the back of my skybox. I'm going to switch it on. Moment, sorry it's dusty. I'm a lazy shit and I don't polish that often. Okay, I'm going to switch the box on now and the TV on, and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, got the TV on and the skybox on. What you have to do is press menu on your remote. Sorry, my phone's gone off in the background. Menu. My batteries need changing. You have to go to network on your remote. There we are. This is the menu we want. So select that. I'm going to go down to cams setup. We're going to go to the first option. We want to update files by USB. Now you got to press OK on here so the green tick appears by Cccam at the top there. Now you press the yellow button to read, and it finds your account, and that the file is now on there. Now go to manage, config files, and as you can see it says needs a reboot. So you just turn the box off and back on, and that will say online. So I'm just going to exit off this. I'm going to reboot the box by turning it off and then back on. As you can see, I am now online, and when I exit out I should go straight to Sky Premier. There you go. Thanks for watching. Over and out.